Hello and welcome to softexpert. In today's video I'll show you how to create a modern and creative portfolio website using WordPress Elementor. If you are a freelancer, photographer, illustrator, graphic artist, calligraphers, you need a portfolio website to showcase your work, and it's a basic need nowadays. I have a couple of videos showing you different themes and plugins for creating a portfolio website, and in today's video we will be discussing Frisk Theme. You can see on the homepage creative agency and portfolio theme, the best solution to build digital agency and portfolio website to showcase your portfolio. Here you can scroll down. These are some core features, and the first one is Elementor compatibility, front-end real-time editing. You can edit the page just by drag and drop using free Elementor. Then one-click demo installation, so we will install a demo and then we will customize it. That we will cover later on in this video. This theme is very lightweight and fast and has multiple colors and fonts option. And then there are WordPress scripted demos ready for your website. You can see digital agency, creative agency, design studio, and so on. You can explore all these demos and then you can pick the one that you need, and more are coming soon. And again, Elementor page builder. So obviously we will customize just by drag and drop. Header and footer are built with Elementor as well, no coding required, and visual effects as well. Then looks amazing on any device. This theme is completely responsive for any device. And then you can see 21 ready-made collection of inner pages. These are some inner pages available in this theme. Then these are some complementary plugins are bundled with Frisk. You can see these plugins. Then you can learn more about this theme here on this page. There are some reviews. Now let me show you one of the demo and then we'll show you how we can get this theme and how we can set it up on our domain. So I'll scroll up. We'll go to demos, and as I said, you can pick any of these demos. For now, let's open this one. You can notice the incoming animations, and you can notice a very minimal theme. Here on the top we have this logo. Then we have the menu with all the required pages. These are the home pages that we will import, and then we can pick the one that we need. These are some extra pages like about, services, our team, and so on. Then we have different looks for the portfolio as well. Portfolio Mansary, Pinterest, Gallery, and so on. You can explore all these and then you can keep the one that you need. I'll show you a few of these later on. Then we have blog pages for articles and a contact page, search, and then we have this side menu as well. Again with the logo, some description. These things are also customizable with Elementor, and you can also notice these call to action. Let's close it and scroll down. This is another section. These are some services. Again in very minimal design. Then you have portfolio items which will open up single portfolio page. Okay, we'll explore it later on. Again a very strong call to action. Then this is team section. These are testimonials. And these are some articles like blog posts and a call to action again, and then this minimal footer with all the required links. So you can see a very clean and minimal design. Let's open up any portfolio item. Let's say this one. And this will open up the page with a slider where you can display multiple images. The category, software, service, client, date, and so on. And we can go to next post or next portfolio as well. Then we have other pages like about, so let's open this. And this is the about us page. Again with very clean and minimal look. You can notice these animations as well. These are linked to the portfolio items. Then team section, we have a map and also a contact form. And these are the partner logos, and then another footer. Let's scroll up. And you can explore all these pages by going to the link in the description. Okay, let me show you how we can get this theme and how we can set it up. And now to get this theme, just follow the first link in the description which will take you to this page. Here you can see the theme title, Frisk Creative Agency Portfolio WordPress Theme. You can learn more about this theme here on this page, and the best part is this theme has 50% off. So if you are watching this video in this upper time, you will get this theme in just 29 instead of 59. To get this theme, just click on Add to Cart here. This is by the way one-time fee. Then go to checkout, and then you can pay for this theme using Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal. Let me pay this amount and then we'll show you how we can install this theme. And that's it, payment complete, and email confirmation is coming your way. Now we can download this theme from here, or you can visit your downloads page from here, or go to your username and then click on downloads. And this is the theme that we just got. Now we will need two files here, so just click on this download arrow and then download this installable WordPress file only and its purchase code. So let me download both of these. and this is the theme, and this is its purchase code. And after download, you will get two files like these. This is the theme and this is its purchase code. And now let's see how we can upload this to our WordPress dashboard. And by the way, for creating a website, you will also need a domain name and hosting. I have discussed domain and hosting in my previous video, so make sure to watch it and you will be able to get a proper domain name and hosting. And just to give you an idea about domain and hosting, you can just follow this link in the description. It will take you to hostinger.com. Then go to WordPress and click on Manage WordPress Hosting. And this will take you to Manage WordPress Hosting. And we need Manage WordPress Hosting is because we are using WordPress, okay? Then scroll down. You can see the pricing plans here. You can pick any of these plans. This theme will work with any of these. And with all these three plans, you will get free emails, unlimited SSL, unlimited bandwidth, and free domain. So just add any of these to cart. And that will take you to checkout where you can buy this domain and hosting for 1 month, 12, 24 or 48. Then scroll down. You can create an account or log in with your Gmail. Then you can pay for it using Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay. And if you're from Pakistan, you will also get options like EasyPay and JazzCash. And this was my recommendation for the hosting. Again, you can watch my previous video for more detail. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard and let's install that theme. So to install the theme, we'll go to Appearance, Themes. We'll add a new one. Upload theme, choose file. And then we'll choose the theme that we just downloaded. Open, install now. And then go ahead and activate it. And that's it, new theme activated. And once you activate the theme, you will see some notice to install these plugins. So just click on begin installing plugins. And these are the plugins required for this theme. We will select all. And here we will choose install and apply. And that will install all the plugins. Then go back to plugin installer and select all. And this time we will choose activate and apply. And that's it. Now we can go back to our dashboard. It will open up Elementor widget where you can connect your account. But let's skip this for now. And now you will notice some extra options like portfolio, services, team, media, header, footer, and so on. And these are due to the theme and plugins we installed, okay? And now let's see how we can import their demo website and then how we can customize it. So to import the demo content, just go to Appearance and you will see import demo data. Just click on it. Then scroll down and you will see the theme and also the demo content. You can choose any of these because it will import all the demos. And as I said earlier, you can pick any of these, okay? I'll go with this one. Just click on import demo. This demo importer will also suggest you some plugins, but we don't need this. So let's continue and import. And this will start importing content. And you can see, please sit tight while we import content. Don't refresh this page. So let's wait for it. And import complete. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. So let's visit our website first. This is the free loader and we got the whole website with the logo, all the home pages, all other pages, portfolio and so on. And we have all the images and also the services, portfolio items and so on that we can customize. And now how to customize this theme is we will use Elementor, which is a free drag and drop page builder. So first let's see how we can edit the main pages like home, about, our team and our pricing, contact and so on. So just visit the page that you want to edit and then just click on edit with Elementor. So first let's edit the home page. And this will open up Elementor where we can customize this website. Just like this. Let's close it. And this is the navigator through which you can navigate to different containers and sections. So let's say I want to customize this heading. I'll just click on it. And then I can change the title here. Same goes for this one. So I can change the text here. Then this is another text that I can change. And if you want to change the colors and the typography, you can go to style. You can give it any color from here. And you can also change the typography. So you can change the font family, the font size, weight, transform and so on. Now I'm not going in much detail in this video. This was just to give you an idea about the theme. If you want to learn more about Elementor, please watch my previous videos. Let's close it. Then same goes for this button. Just click on it. This is the button layout that you can choose from. And then under button, you can change the text. You can link this to a custom link or any page. And if you choose the internal page here, you can select a page here and you can change the alignment and so on. This is another text with icon. Again, title, image and so on. So these things are very simple and you can modify pages based on your need. And at the end, make sure to click on update to save your changes. I'll just reverse this color. Now let's see how we can customize the header and footer. So let's go back. And on that same page, we will hover over here and then we will click on header. Again, this will open up Elementor where we can customize the header. So we'll click here. This is the header layout. You can choose any from these. This is the logo. If you want to change this, just click on it and upload your own logo here. And then you can set the logo width and height as well. Select menu, where you can select a menu. You can have different menus in your WordPress dashboard. Header search, which is this search. Header of canvas, which is this one. You can customize these as well. You can see we are digital agency, which is here. So in this way you can customize the header and footer as well. Okay. And now let me quickly show you the portfolio and services. So for that we'll go to dashboard, and here you can see portfolio. Just click on it and you will see the portfolio items here. You can edit them, you can customize them, you can add new one. Let's edit this one for example. So we can just change the title here. Then scroll down, you can change the featured image that is displayed on the home page. Then for the content, you can edit this page with Elementor and you can customize it like I showed you. And then same goes for services. You can edit any of these just by clicking edit. Again, you can change the title and featured image here, and then you can edit this page with Elementor. So this was how you can install and set up Frisk Theme, and you can create a portfolio website using Elementor. And again, the theme and the hosting link are in the description, so make sure to follow them and get this theme. And to learn more about customizing this theme in Elementor, just follow my channel. Still, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.